I look like, hello, this is Hattie Mae Pearson. Hey y'all, so while the food is marinating, I'm just gonna get the water ready for the pasta because that always takes too long to boil. And I'm gonna be using organic linguine noodles from Whole Foods. Yeah, so I'm gonna get the water started with that. And also, after I get done doing that, I think once I put the chicken in the oven, I'm gonna hop in the shower because I want to watch this movie tonight. So I'm gonna eat my dinner with and watch the movie. It's called The Night House. Look a little scary. I don't know. I really don't care. I need something to watch. And in the meantime, I'm gonna start editing for my next vlog. You won't see this vlog for quite some time, but hopefully you see this vlog before November's over, because I'm trying to catch up on all my vlogs. So yeah, all these bumps are on my face, but yeah, so I'm trying to catch up on all my vlogs or whatever. So that's what I'm gonna have to try to do today. I'm working on my next vlog. That's September going into October. I'm gonna get there, and I'm trying to not rush it, because if I rush it, I'm gonna put out BS. I don't want to put out BS work. So I'm trying to really like take my time, but speed up in the process and put out good work, make it interesting, make it, you know, watch, I don't know, viewer friendly, and make the viewers want to watch, you know, make it like an eye catcher, you know. So yeah, so I'm about to get this water started, and then I'll check back in with y'all later. fries. There you have it. Stuffed chicken over Alfredo pasta. Doesn't it look delish? Like, just look at that. Yes, time to eat. Now, about to watch a movie called The Night House. I'll check back in with y'all later. Y'all, I outdid myself. Okay? Chef kiss, 10 out of 10. Right? The chicken is moist. Look at this. Baby. I need to try this at home and let me know how y'all like it. Cause baby like McDonald's. I'm loving it. Hey y'all, so it's Monday, November the 14th, and it's 3 o'clock in the evening. So I'm about to try the chicken dumplings from Trader Joe's. First time trying them. They smell so fucking good. They smell so good. So, oh, it's hot. Hot. Actually tastes pretty good. A lot of people were saying theirs didn't taste soupy, but ain't no juice, but this one has a lot of juice. So yeah, I woke up late today. I was supposed to go to a laundromat. They didn't make it there, but I woke up late. I'm gonna get my behind in the shower, wash my face, brush my teeth, wash my little bit of dishes, and just get myself ready for the week, create my schedule for the week, make me some lunch. About to edit some vlog. Well, I'm about to start working on my next vlog I have to upload, so it can be uploaded by either. I'm trying to have my stuff done on Tuesdays, but yeah. Look at it. I don't think y'all can see it. Damn. I got on my pants. Oh, God. So I'm just trying to try, different. Okay. I'm just trying to try different, foods, whatever, because I had dumplings before, but not the soupy looking ones. I always had the fried dumplings. I really don't even like gushy food, but I'm gonna try this today. It's either this or samosas for lunch, and I already had samosas, so I'm like, let me try my stuff before it be in the freezer for too long, get freezer burned, and it don't taste right. You know what I mean? I be scared shit ain't done, but I'm like, whew. I mean, I think like that and just enjoy it. But you can, y'all can see the juice. And it'll take 2.5 minutes in the microwave. Well, I did 2 minutes and I let it sit for a little bit. And I washed like 5 dishes, give or take. And then when I was ready to eat them, I put it on for 30 more minutes.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And let it cool down just a little bit. Yeah. And I still have my leftover chicken, Alfredo, linguine Alfredo that I'm gonna eat later before I go to work tonight. But all right, y'all, I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all, my client told me I'm like Spinelli from Recess.
This one I bet you the jabata. Me I no get time, the da. Dada cover my face, calling me da ba da. Biggie man wait to be where I ba da. What's it gonna be? Jiwa come, all depending. They get them, ride the whip. I know feet, die for nothing. What's it gonna be? Jiwa come.
Hey y'all, so it is Sunday night. It's like, I don't know, going 11:30 at night, and I have pressed my hair out. You'll see like little clips of what I did to my hair. So I just unwrapped it. Do y'all not know how long I've been waiting? How my hair used to look. Sorry, my phone's been a fucking hater.
You need to leave.
But do y'all not know how long I wanted my hair to look like this again? Like to feel, look, and be like healthy like this again. Don't play with my hands, okay? When it comes to this hair shit. Like, I really can grow some fucking hair. And that's one thing I'm known for, growing hair. Like, these hands are made for growing hair. So, I unwrap my hair. My hair is, they don't see it. It's like, yeah. I like when my hair like this. I don't care what nobody else said. This is how I like my hair to look. It looks way fuller in person than it does on this camera. So, whatever. But I remember I used to call it the Justin Bieber look. But I can love when my hair look like this. Like, I love it. I'm just so fucking happy right now that my hair actually came. I'm like so happy that my hair looks like this. Like, y'all, like look how long my hair, every time I straighten my hair gets longer and longer. If y'all see, I'm gonna show videos. I wasn't going to add it in the vlog. I just uploaded. I'm uploading tomorrow, which is a vlog from, I guess, like September, end of September going to October. It's like 2 vlogs on one, so that would be uploaded tomorrow, the 21st. So y'all know what I'm talking about in that vlog. I actually about to add a clip in it so y'all can see my hair journey. I cut my hair in 2020. It's 2022. I think it was like May 2020 or April 2020. I cut all my hair off. I had like a low boy cut. And I've been growing my hair out for 2 years. But this year, like the last few months, I've been really taking my hair, like really getting back into taking care of my hair. So, like, I've been using certain type of oils in my hair lately to keep my hair moisturized. I use certain shampoos in my hair now. Yeah, like, y'all, like, my freaking hair is like how it used to look. Like, I'm like really happy right now with how my hair look. Like, I'm so freaking happy. Like, I want to cry so bad. I'm like really, it's that I really got my hair back to how I used to have it. Hopefully it stays like this, but this is just such an amazing compliment. And I wish people would just listen to me when I tell them about their hair, because it's like, I know what I'm talking about. Like, I know I had to really do it on myself to show results, because people don't listen when it comes to their hair. Like, go to your dermatologist, drink water, oil your scalp, oil your hair. Hey y'all, so it is Monday and it is probably like 7:20 by now. I just want to show y'all day 2 of my hair. It's flatter now because it's been wrapped all day. I already showered earlier. Got my little nightgown on. About to get ready to start my night for my night job. So I'm about to wrap my hair back up because I do hard work there and I'm not about to sweat all this workout. So I'm about to have my hair wrapped all night because baby, we ain't playing no type of games tonight. Hey y'all, good afternoon. It is Tuesday, about 2:40. I'm just getting out. No, that's when I go. I look crusty. So this is day 3 with my hair. Still looking good. Last night at work was about to be my last night at work. It was so many freaking boxes and I'm not that strong. Okay, I'm gonna insert a clip because I guarantee you it's a clip of like the kind of work that I do. So not actually me, but you know, a clip of somebody doing some funny stuff. So yeah, the supervisor I work with, I think that girl do headstands on her neck because she thinks that everybody is, like I was saying, she thinks that everybody's supposed to be lifting them boxes the way she do. As us females, the men she don't care about. Then she want us to move fast and shit. Girl, I'm not moving that fast. I got it. It's gonna get done. Like I move fast, but I'm not about to move how you want me to move because I really know what the fuck I'm doing because y'all didn't properly train me, or let alone for the other girl that I started with, y'all didn't properly train. Y'all want us to be fucking psychics and shit. Like what? But anyway, then I gotta go. Then I woke up like I've been asleep. I've been tired. Like I'm freaking. My body is freaking drained. It's overworked. I've decided to do a freaking double today, and I'm like, if it's gonna be anything like how I was yesterday, no, I'm not with that. I'm about to tell them I can't make it. I have to stay late in my first job. Mind you, I'm taking a break from doing hair for 2 months. So, well, for the rest of this month and next month, starting fresh. Hey y'all. So today is Thursday. First of all, today's Wednesday. And it is, hold on a second, 2:57 p.m. You know, I wake up late because I work overnight. So this is day 4 in my hair. Still doing good. The roots are kind of thick because my boss is a hater. She be trying to make me overwork so she can sweat these roots out because she know I got a fresh boy under that scarf. I'm wearing to work. Anyway, I went to Wawa and I finally got it. So I'm about to see how it tastes. I ain't gonna eat it on camera because I'm trying to enjoy it, but I'm in my room so it's a little dark. And I don't know if I turn the lights on because it's light outside. Make it make sense. Yes, I'm about to try this for the first time. It better be good. Alright, y'all. Day before Thanksgiving. Gotta go. I'm gonna do this again because I ain't get my set. What's that boy name? Mr. Hotspot on Instagram. I'm gonna show a clip. He be like, just delicioso. Oh, delicioso. Wherever you be. But this shit is so good. Look at it. And my favorite cake is pink cake. This shit slap. I knew I should have got 5 more. I'm so hurt. They was like, damn, what you high? I'm like, no. I like snacks. And I lost 7 pounds, so I gotta gain my weight back. Yeah, it's getting real out here. Alright, relax. But alright, gotta go, y'all. I'm back. I got really interrupted. Y'all. Oh my god, I got crumbs all on my chin. That's why I shouldn't be eating in my room. That cake did not have to be that good. And I'm wrong for eating that cake. I ain't even had breakfast yet. I need to get myself together. It's cold as crap and I gotta go to the store. I don't feel like it. I'm trying to stall, but I'm like, dang. Matter of fact, I'm gonna call my cousin and see if she could take me, because I ain't doing all that. Hey y'all, happy Thursday. It is November the 24th, 2022. Thursday, y'all know what day it is. It's a holiday. Hope y'all enjoy your holiday. I personally don't celebrate, but I will be with family today. So as y'all can see, I am whitening my teeth right now. I'm about to take them out in a couple minutes. I curled my hair. I look like, hello, this is Hattie Mae Pearson. Don't mind the pads in the back. But this is Hattie Mae Pearson. I like Big Mama, okay? But yeah, I had to recurl my hair because their boots was getting a little thick. My day starting off good or whatever. Thank you. Waking me up this morning, you know. So I'm looking at this picture. I can see my clip of my face on it. So in a minute, I'm about to take these out, and I'm about to yeah, put my makeup on, get dressed, and then I'll let y'all see how I look after the fact. I really don't even know what I'm wearing today. It's like whatever is given is going to give you. And that's just that on that. I can't wait to take these out. Alright. Yeah. But I'm trying to get our teeth white, our teeth straight. Once I get my teeth white, I'm going to get my lines and my teeth straighter. We're gonna get it together. We're going to get it together. It's a little dark in here because I have my light to make myself brighter, but who cares right now? I'm about to wrap my hair up and do my makeup, and yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. Love you guys. Hey y'all, I know I said I was gonna wait till I get dressed to come back, but I decided to come back now. But I'm not feeling the fact that my bags are showing, which means I didn't conceal and contour. I normally conceal then contour enough, but it's fine. I'm pressed for time. I have to go. So this is the face. What is it giving? I don't know. These lashes, I don't know yet. Once I let my hair down, I'm gonna see if I want to just put mascara on or leave the lashes on or get smaller lashes. Don't know yet, but I'll be back. Alright y'all, I am dressed. I just have on this hoodie, oversized hoodie with some black tights. Who out the bathroom? Well, yeah, with some black tights. And I'm wearing my Alexander McQueen black and white sneakers with my YSL bag. Hair on regular watch, you know, my regular girl. Hair is done. It needs to fall somewhere because it looks shorter than the last time I did my hair, because I curled my hair extra tight. But I'm about to go do this family stuff. So yeah. Alright y'all, gotta go.
That my best friend. She a real bad bitch, got her own money. She don't need no nigga on the dance floor. She had 2, 3 drinks, now she's twerking. She know it, I didn't come back in. That's my best friend. She a real bad bitch, got her own car. She don't need no.
What was going on? She was like, he's trying to kiss me. Yeah. Oh, okay.
Wash your hands. Your face red as shit. You like your face hurt as shit.
I'm heavy-handed. We know this.
Yes.
And she just light.
Huh?
She just light.
Hey y'all. So it is Wednesday. You know, I'm really gonna stop doing this shit. Today's Saturday. Now I think I'm saying it's Wednesday because it feel like it's the weekend, but it felt like my days off was the weekend. So if you hear noise in the background, they're doing work outside and upstairs. So anyway, today's Saturday. I think it's a little after 3. And I just came from Burlington and Target. Well, I came from Target because I went and got my cousin gift. She gift for her baby shower tomorrow. So by the time this video come out, her baby shower will already have been passed. It's tomorrow at 2. So I got her 2 gifts or whatever. And look what I got myself from Target. Normally I don't really buy myself stuff, but I really had to get this roll. So I had got this roll from Target. It got like little hearts on it. Little hood or whatever. This roll is so cute, and I'm like, I had to get this for myself. Like, I don't never treat myself to stuff, so you know, like, I'm gonna get me a roll. Anyway, it's a roll, girl, but I'm telling you, I need more like comfortable things for my house or whatever. And yep, I got me this roll, and I got these slippers to match from Target, and it came with the roll came with these little socks. So yeah, I have to go to work today, so I just got out of the shower and I unwrapped my hair for a little bit. So I'm about to just chill for a little bit until it's time for me to go to work. I have to be there at 5, but I'm not going till 6 because I told them I can't get there at 5. I can get there at 6 on the days I can work. And yeah, it don't be nothing going on there early, so why would you have me going to work there early? But anyway. Yep. And my hair is long, actually good. I curled it, you know, on Thursday. Was it Thursday? Yeah, Thursday, I think, for Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving was so fucking boring. I was tired as shit. I didn't sleep till the Wednesday before I went to work. I got an hour nap in. I came home and just was being weird, doing weird shit. But the morning started off okay, but as the day progressed, the day got weird. It was boring. We got to my brother's house extremely late. Everybody was leaving, and it's just like, girl, like, this is not how I planned my Thanksgiving. I really should have just stayed the fuck in the house. Wasted a whole outfit. I'm gonna redo the outfit over. I don't care, cause I already had I had different plans for the outfit anyway, so I'm gonna just rewear it. Hopefully I can get that makeup out my damn hoodie because my hoodie got ruined. Brand new hoodie. I should have worn my other hoodie, but I ain't think about it. But it is what it is. By the end of the night, everybody was weird. I told everybody it was weird. And it just was a whole shit show since then. And you know, things are still happening. People still being weird. But it is what it is. Like, I'm not kissing nobody fucking ass. Like, this shit is getting weird. It's annoying. People do shit to you. And then when you do little small things, you want to make a big deal out of it. Like, it's not that fucking deep. But, yeah. It is what it is. But I really love this robe. It's so comfortable. Like, and it had these hearts on it. I'm like, it's pink. I love pink. You know. I'm about to go to the ring and knock a bitch out. But yes, I really love this robe. It's so cute. Alright, y'all, I'm about to do what I have to do, get some stuff done. And then I will check back in with y'all tomorrow. But wait, this is the end of the weekly vlog. I might vlog tomorrow. Oh, I'm gonna get the baby shower, so yeah, I can record a little bit on here. So tomorrow will be the end of the vlog. I'm trying to think if I want to do my makeup. Who knows? Like I was saying, we'll see about the whole makeup thing tomorrow. So yeah. I don't know what I want to wear. But I know I'm not curling my hair yet. I'm gonna just leave it like this because I want to wash it probably next Saturday, because I don't think I'm gonna work next Saturday. I don't know yet. But alright. I gotta go for real this time. Bye. Good morning. Oh no, wait. It ain't even good morning. It's good afternoon. It's like 1 something. I think it's almost 1:30. I don't know. I'm not sure. But hello, today is Sunday. See me in my room. Okay. I really like this room. Like, it's so, see that part? It's so cute and comfortable. And don't forget the slippers. But yeah, today is Sunday, day of the baby shower. I'm about to get ready. I'm gonna do a light face, curl my hair, straighten my roots, curl my hair. It's raining outside, so I'm just gonna wear an oversized hoodie, some jeans, some little boots, and my cardigan jacket, I guess. Probably wear a hat. Yeah, probably wear a hat. Depending on how it might look. I don't know. I really don't know yet. I'm freaking tired. Yeah, I'm a little tired. I got a little too lit last night. I've been getting lit since Thanksgiving. Let's just say that. Tonight my last night getting lit because next week is, well, starting tomorrow, I'm back on heavy grind mode, back to working. This month, well, December is a month for me to figure out my next move because, yeah, it's time for the realness, the real money to start rolling in again. Yeah. And it's a lot I'm trying to do by my birthday next year, so I'm trying to give myself a gift, because if I'm not moving next year, I need to at least have my business open and running and fully functioning. So yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all. I don't have time to do my makeup on camera, so I'm gonna get back with y'all when I'm finished, everything is done, and I'm dressed. So y'all, talk to you later. Well, I'll see y'all in a few. So hey y'all, I am dressed. This is the outfit of the day. Shoot, I had makeup all over my hoodie. So this is my outfit of the day. My hoodie. With some jeans and my warrior boots. My little summer bag. So yes, this is the outfit of the day. Bracelet, watch, or bracelets, watch. Finally got on my necklace. How we giving, how was looking. I'm in a rush, I gotta go. Talk to you later. Say hi. Say hi, Dom. Say hi, Keita. Alright. Why you always gotta act shy like they don't know who you are? Look at the baby mama. Why would they play that song now? It ain't time to dance shit. Right there. Go to mama. What's up, Bart?
Careful who y'all hang with, y'all. It be your own family snitching on me about a damn game. And guess what? I still won. And did win. And definitely won the prize. Look at her. Still won a prize. You know, 'cause I'm a winner around here. Blow the balloon. Let's go.
Which one? You gotta take your shoes off.
That is too low. Like, that's too low. Make it higher.
Untie your shoes. Untie your sneakers, please.
If you're pregnant, untie your shoes.
Taraji, where you at? Untie your sneakers, please. All right, y'all gonna step to the side, okay? Let's go. We on the time now. Come on, let's go. Okay, y'all step to the side. Untie your shoe. Yep. The ones with the balloon. Oh, you gonna have to take the string out. You gonna have to tie your shoes again. Go. Yeah, I'm timing it.
If I give you some time, I just hope you don't waste it. Baby girl, come here, let me taste it.
Let's go. Run faster.
If they cheat, then they will follow up.
I'm the one that they envy like cowboy. Bro, say it loud. She wanna fuck with a real one, real. This record stop. I ain't no way, no. So I'm driving at the front door. You're saying they outside. Send that Addy, we gon' slide. Just cause I dance, look at my. Shake it. She like the way I dance. She like the way I move. She like the way I rock. She like the way I move.
All right.
Now I ball like 23 and 1. Type of game, I'm always playing manhunt. I know my boo. She text me where you at, I sent to Eddie come.
Ali done.
Hey y'all, so it is later in the night. I done watched the vlog, watched a little movie. Oh my god, I'm about to get in the shower, wipe my face off and wash my face. Wipe my face off, wash my face and get in the shower. And let's check out the robe. Like, I'm talking about this again robe, but I love my robe. But yeah, I have to wash my face, get in the shower, and get ready for bed because I'm getting sleepy. Oh, my nose look straight. Ew, my nose looks so spread it out. Right? It don't look like that. I look oily. But yeah. So thank you guys for watching this weekly vlog. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so you can get notified every time I post a video. I hope this vlog was very entertaining for y'all. If y'all got any suggestions, let me know in the comments below. And my community page is finally open. I finally can post on my community page. Yeah, I'm starting posting on that. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.